one of the best way to identify a true leader is to observe basically how he or she performs during the time of crisis. And the coronavirus crisis basically confirms that Donald Trump basically is really a world leader, not only basically because he's decisive, but he's also a man of action with a vision. There are a number of parameters or benchmark you can compare him. I will basically take up around 5 different parameters. Number 1, the moment this virus basically starts from the Wuhan city in the China, Trump was perhaps the first president to identify and make a decisive action that travel ban from the China. Even though basically at that particular time WHO basically was advising other way around. So this is basically a decisive and a visionary action that to immediately implement a travel ban, which actually helped for the less spread of that virus. Number 2, access of ventilators. So Trump basically using his business acumen in a very short time arranged ventilators, and that too in excess. So anybody basically who needs ventilators will have the option to have it. And Trump is also basically now helping countries such as India by donating them, so they can basically also help their own citizens. Number 3, testing. I think US has become the first country in the world to has done more than 10 million testing, which is 3 times more than any other country done so far. So that means like if you're a US citizen and if you have any doubt about your symptoms, anybody basically can go and have themselves tested. So yeah, in terms of testing, basically Trump basically has shown that how he's a quality of a world leader to provide this facility for all the citizens, whoever needs it. Now, 4th parameter, death rate. I think some people basically either they don't know how to simple calculate the death rate, or they don't want you to basically understand that death rate is actually not that high in America as it is being projected. In fact, it is almost half the rate that in the UK. So for example, UK population is approximately 66 million, and number of coronavirus related death in the UK is around 33,000. Now US population is almost around 5 times more than that of UK. So in that respect, if I multiply UK's death by 5 times, it will come out to be around 165,000 death. But if you see the US death is almost around 80,000, so which is almost half of that rate what is in the UK. So you can see that the US death rate because of coronavirus is almost half that of UK. So it's not that basically very, very high. In fact, if you actually take into consideration that if the figure of 80,000 is not inflated, then actual figure will be even more less, because there's a very highly likelihood that the numbers which is 80,000 which has come across, it's also basically because of the way you counted the number of deaths. I have made another video basically in this regard. You can check on it. Number 5, some people basically talking about Trump's leadership and vision. I would say that Trump vision is very clear. He wants to basically make America great again. And his vision basically is to bring the jobs back from from the outside world back to America, which has been conveniently allowed to go away from the previous US administration. So, but obviously you cannot basically make a country great by mass unemployment. So I think that Trump is basically taking a very right decisions in terms of opening the economy and creating jobs. So Trump basically is trying to make America great again, creating jobs. He's also basically stopped immigration temporarily, which just makes sense. So that provides first opportunity for the citizens. Trump is basically also making sure that citizens are safe. So he's deporting illegal peoples, another sensible decision. So I think basically if you see all this parameter, Trump's definitely appears to be a proper leader, really a world leader with a vision and a man of action. Now in this time, decision basically is up to the citizen whether they want a leader uh, or a gentleman basically who has experience of decades of running a $1 billion empire, or they want to basically elect some leaders who are only good at talking. Well, choice is always yours.